select a site with level ground drainage. Door and roof function best when shed is level. Please review all assembly steps before construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. Please check that you have all parts. Names are molded into the parts. Roof, floor, back, right side, left side, right door, left door. Lock hasp already attached to the right door. These are the tools you'll need to assemble your storage building. Rubber mallet. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your storage building needs to be built on a solid level surface. Position the roof and right side panel on a flat surface. Lift roof slightly and align tabs and slots. Push roof panel down to lock the two panels in place. Remember to lift the roof slightly to align tabs and slots. Push the roof panel down to lock the two panels in place. Position the back panel between the sides with the words "back panel" facing up. Align the tabs and slots and push the panel toward the roof until it locks in place. Position the floor panel between the side panels with the word "floor" facing the roof. Align the tabs and slots and push the floor panel down until the tabs on the floor lock into the sides on the back panel. You may need a rubber mallet to tap the floor into place. Stand the shed upright. Place the right front door in the open position. Insert the top hinge pin into the upper hinge hole. Slide the bottom hinge in toward the bottom hinge hole until it falls into place. Place the left front door in the open position. Insert the top hinge pin into the upper hinge hole and slide the bottom hinge in toward the bottom hinge hole until it falls into place. Please enjoy your vertical storage shed from Rubbermaid.